Guys, I'm home now. Just some afterthoughts as I take off this band that says top in the world. So what happened was, it's a very funny story. Hello guys, good morning. Today is a special day. It's 7 a.m. and I don't usually wake up so early, but today we're going to the World Toppers Felicitation Ceremony in Mumbai, and it's my second time. I am thoda excited. But the thing is, I have as of today, I have so much to do on my plate that I am not really feeling that exciting that I felt the first time. But obviously, I'm really, really grateful for this opportunity, and yeah, I'll just try to enjoy the moment again. So, yeah, let's take you there. This time for my AS level, यानी कि 11th grade में I have topped the world for mathematics, जिसमें मैं वर्ल्ड नंबर 1 आया हूँ, इंडिया नंबर 1 आया हूँ मैं, फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री एंड ओवरऑल जो स्कोर होता है उसमें भी. So we're gonna take 4 awards over there, and it's gonna be a really, really exciting event. So let me take you there, and obviously हमारा एक और बहुत important काम है, that we're gonna have free lunch over there. And the point is not that we're having lunch over there or free lunch over there. The point is that we're having free lunch from on the expense of Cambridge University. तो वो एक बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है. And I'll take you there. Bye bye. Here at the Sofitel, and this is where we'll get our sashes. Okay, so we have got the sash, and I'm here with Dad. पापा को कैसा लग रहा है?
Oh, too excited, feeling very proud. Good to be
Awesome.
here.
And this is how it looks right now. You can see this here, and this is where we'll get felicitated, guys.
Learning and research at the highest international level. Our outstanding Cambridge Learner Awards recognise and celebrate exceptional learner achievements in Cambridge.
एक अवार्ड हो गया.
मज़ा आया आपको?
Yes. नाम था मैं टॉपर में नहीं आऊँगा. बाकी तो मैं नहीं आऊँगा.
क्यों? अब हो गया क्या? बोर हो गया अभी?
टॉप इन आएगा ना.
अच्छा, क्या देखो अभी 3 अवार्ड है. एक अवार्ड में 2 अवार्ड, 4 अवार्ड टोटल है. एक वर्ल्ड नंबर 1 है, 2 इंडिया नंबर 1 है, और एक एग्री टोटल इंडिया नंबर 1 है, मतलब सबसे बड़ा अवार्ड है. तो उसमें आप किस में आने वाले हैं? एग्री का सबसे बड़ा, सबसे लास्ट में है. बैठना पड़ेगा.
I had no option.
वैसे ही हमको बैठना ही पड़ता था, बिकॉज वी केम हियर फॉर द फ्री लंच. सो बैठना पड़ेगा, एंड तक तो बैठना पड़ेगा.
Okay. I'll have a coffee and come.
Awesome. Hail Cambridge. अभी वो लोग ने क्या किया है? They lost 2 of my certificates, and now they're finding it. Just pretty embarrassing, but I got content out of it, so I'm happy. Okay guys, अभी हमने चेंज कर लिया है एक इंडियन अटायर में, and we're gonna take an award over here. Cambridge University Press wants to interview me. I've scored top in the world in mathematics, best in India number 1 in physics and chemistry, and also India number 1 overall percentage. Go inside, do an interview. I'm not sure. Interview हो चुका है, and it's almost time for us to go home. The interviewer said that they are interviewed like about a lot of students before me. I was the last one to go because मेरे को सबसे ज़्यादा awards मिल रहे थे. So it's like मेरा जो award receive होने का ही बहुत लेट ख़त्म हुआ. सो दैट्स वाई आई वेंट इन लाइक ऑलमोस्ट, मेरे बाद बहुत कम लोग बचे थे. but he said that like I gave the best answers of all the people he interviewed, and that he had a really like he told my father that he was a blessed dad, and that moment was like the best thing I've heard in like quite a long time. So I'm really grateful. I have met a genius over here. He's
Hi.
Aryan Mehta from Ahmedabad.
Hi.
And we met last year as well. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great. Second time at the ceremony. I've got plans. I'm going to try and interview people. I'm going to try and meet as many of you as possible. Hopefully, I'm going to interview Anna as well. Anna, I'm watching.
And what's your main motivation for coming to this event?
My main motivation for coming to this event is to meet the people, network. It's an amazing place.
Awesome. And if you want tip or one advice for all the students out there, what would that be?
Past papers. Practice. It is the only way that you will ever do.
And this guy's gonna go to Coldplay tomorrow, and
Yes.
he's preaching about past papers. So, guys, that's Aryan for you.
Okay, no, to be fair, on the flight back to Ahmedabad, I'm planning to write 2 chemistry A-level past papers. So, gotta do what you gotta do, man.
Yeah, you gotta grind, man. All the best.
Right.
And congratulations.
Thank you.
And we met another guy here, Vansh Sayani. Hello, Vansh. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great and feeling very surprised.
Surprised?
बंदे का अहमदाबाद से इंग्लिश एक्सेंट क्या चेंज
नहीं, वो अमेरिकन है वो. हाँ, इसलिए एक्सेंट है उसका.
भाई हिंदी तो बराबर बोल रहा है.
नहीं वो
एक्सेंट चेंज
अब वो अमेरिकन है, इसलिए थोड़ा एक्सेंट मारना पड़ता है. अंग्रेज लोग है ना, खराब है थोड़ा.
दिखना चाहिए भाई.
हाँ, पटेली आनी चाहिए ना. Awesome. Okay, these are my teachers. मैम, आपको कैसा लग रहा है? मैंने वर्ल्ड कप किया.
Ale, you have always been a star of our eyes, and I'm sure you're going to shine more. There's only one sun in the sky. I think Anna is going to be one of the rock stars, always, like always.
Thank you so much.
Very proud of
Thank you, ma'am.
Wish you all the best. We would like to see you in a best Ivy League for the next academic year.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Next is
And Abhi, how many years do you think, like, you're gonna keep coming ऐसे लगातार? Correct. मैं आपको थोड़ा मार्केटिंग करनी है AGS का, आप कर दो, मैं ब्लॉग में डाल दूंगा.
We are very sure that AGS will be.
अजमेरा ग्लोबल स्कूल.
Acha.
हाँ.
We are sure that Ajmera Global School will be on this platform year after year with our outstanding students.
Yeah, 100%. And guys, sub join karo. And now you have started A levels as well, right? Yeah. So guys, please join for A levels.
Next is
Many more accolades. We have ITCSE as well as the
100%.
outstanding students.
100%. Thank you so much, ma'am. You're here with 2 of the world toppers here, Laisha and Sahil. Hey guys, what did we talk? What subject did we talk then? Math. What, you talked math as well, right? How are you feeling today? Great. And you're wearing like t-shirt and jeans. So what's
oversized.
yeah, oversized. Perfect in a formal event. So, are you feeling out of place or?
I'm very chill right now.
Yeah, that's the spirit. Awesome. And if you want advice for all the students, what would that be?
To score high marks,
Yeah.
do past papers.
Do past
Yeah,
papers.
that's all.
So, like, did you mark up past papers and just
Do
vomit it out?
like do as many past papers as possible and do a lot of practice.
Okay.
Math is easier to get full in.
You don't need to like sound smart. You can be like honest.
Yeah, I'm just saying.
Okay. Awesome.
What else you do?
Yeah, that's true. Correct. Awesome, man. Congratulations. Have a good day. Hey guys, I've met some AS level toppers over here from Calcutta International School. What's your name? Srija. And how are you feeling today?
Feeling nervous but excited.
And what have you topped?
I topped psychology in AS and in West Technology I got second.
Awesome. Congratulations. If you have one piece of advice for all the students, what would that be?
My one piece of advice would be work hard, stay up late, study.
Awesome. Congratulations. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Dana.
And what have you topped?
I topped history.
History. And if you have one piece of advice, what would that be?
All the deadlines are worth it. So, and keep working, don't give up.
Awesome. And what's your name?
I'm Anushka.
And what have you topped?
IGCSE English.
And if you have one piece of advice, what would that be?
I'd say just try your best and just cram and do as much as you can and do it.
Wait, you topped English language. Wait, that's like difficult AF. Like, okay. So, what did you say with a dictionary or something? Or
Good morning, everyone. May I request you to please take your seats. We're going to
Awesome,
begin the
congratulations.
program.
Okay, guys,
Season
I have
two.
met a friend of mine, Amogajit.
The better world topper.
ये मेरा जूनियर है and he also topped the world in math.
Easy.
So how are you feeling today?
Just feeling good.
Good.
It was way too easy. I knew this would happen.
हाँ exactly. बढ़िया है भाई. मतलब ये क्या ऐसा ये आपके आउटफिट को आप क्या कहना चाहोगे? ऐसा क्या ऐसा ना ब्लेजर?
Basic outfit. Forgot the blazer, but still looking handsome. Yeah.
क्या बात है, सही है. Awesome भाई, awesome. And if you have to give one tip to all the students, what would it be?
I would say it's not necessary to study 10 hours like your parents say. You can balance it out and still top the world like I did.
Awesome भाई, awesome. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And
Thank you.
I'll see you around. I have with me Neil over here. And Neil has topped IGCSE Mathematics. Congratulations. How are you feeling today?
Great. It's quite nice to get this award, honestly.
Awesome. And if you have one tip of advice to all the students out there, what would that be?
Try take art math.
Add maths. Why?
It's more fun. Helps more.
Oh, fun. And one guilty pleasure or one goofy thing that you did throughout your preparation.
I completely ignored business studies.
Sorry?
Completely ignored business.
Okay, but apart from that, like something like you did for fun or
Oh, I studied calculus.
भाई तू फन के लिए पढ़ाई करता था? भाई इतना पढ़ाई करने का I don't think ज़रूरत है. But nice to meet you, man. What's your name? Ansh. What have you taught? Math, I guess. Yeah. What's one advice from you for all the students there?
I would say take art math. Take a lot of subjects.
भाई तुम सब पढ़ाई करते हो. रुक मैं सर से पूछता हूँ. अजीत सर, हाँ तेरा भी नंबर आएगा. रुक जा. Hello sir. How are you feeling today? आपका बेटे को award मिला है.
Very happy, very proud moment for me.
Awesome. And thank you so much. If you have one advice for all the students, what would that be?
Just take it easy. Just go step by step. Follow your fundamentals. That's it.
Exactly. पढ़ाई fun के लिए पढ़ाई नहीं करना होता.
Enjoy करो, बस enjoy करो.
हाँ.
Enjoy the process. That's it.
Awesome.
Don't worry about the next step. Like you go step by step. That's
Correct.
it. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, yeah.
What's your name?
Sahaj.
Sahaj. Hi Sahaj. What have you topped in?
For the maths.
Further maths. What did you top?
India.
Awesome, man.
Last year.
How much do you score, bro?
123 out of 125.
Damn. That's insane.
Last year I got art maths also.
Awesome. That's really cool. I scored like 120 on 125
maths?
for the math.
This year?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nice.
That's really cool, man. So what like further math is like a really tough subject. Do you feel like that because like there's a stigma around further math? So what's your take about that?
It was easy. I gave it without studying.
Okay, you're a genius.
I was playing FIFA.
Okay, see, okay, you're a genius, but for like humans like us, what can you tell the viewers? Because especially like
finish the syllabus as quick as you can. Like I finished the syllabus in 2 months, and after that you just do practice.
okay, and like especially like friends of mine, they feel that further maths like only for like the super pseudo intellectuals or these geniuses out there, and then they're too scared of taking that. So do you think that's justified, or do you think that it's doable?
Even if you are scared of taking it, there is no harm in trying the subject for 2-3 months and then see if it suits you. But,
Perfect.
Even if you feel you can't do it, I'd say try, like give it your best and then see what you get. So just don't not take it just because you're scared.
Awesome, man. And can you tell me one thing? Why have you come in a t-shirt and a jeans? Like, what's the?
I don't have any shirts.
Bro, what do you do all day? Like, I'm really curious. You just play FIFA all day?
FIFA, F1. I'm trying to play Rainbow Six Siege, Far Cry.
Yeah. Okay. So I think there's like a downside of this being such a genius that you don't have a life, bro. You need to get a life.
No, I do.
You do have a life?
Yeah.
Yeah, genius, man.
I went with my friends yesterday.
Awesome, man. Have a nice one. Congratulations. I have with me. What's your name?
Om Rashi.
Om Rashi.
Om Rashi.
Om Rashi. Okay, where are you from?
Pune.
Pune. And what we have stopped math, I believe.
Yep.
Awesome. AS level math world topper, guys. And how do you feel today? Like, are you nervous? Are you excited?
I mean, honestly, my knees were shaking on the stage. I almost saw that. But yeah, nervous, but also very happy.
Awesome. And if you want piece of advice for all the viewers, what would that be?
I think there's no point in stressing last minute.
Okay. भाई यहाँ मुंह छुपा रहा है यहाँ पे वर्ल्ड टॉप किया है मुंह छुपाने की बात नहीं है एड मैथ का टॉप किया है कैसा लग रहा है देखो
रियली हैप्पी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ऑब्वियसली बट एक अगर तेरे पास एडवाइस हो सब स्टूडेंट्स के तो क्या होगा?
पास्ट पेपर सॉल्व करो.
ये आप नोटिस करो, लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर सेइंग दिस सेम थिंग, सॉल्व एंड मोर पास्ट पेपर्स, दैट्स रियली इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड यहाँ गाइस आई एग्री विद दैट.
बहुत सारे पास्ट,
बहुत सारे. एंड बहुत लोगों को लगता है कि एड मैथ लाइक बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, तो डू यू थिंक द सेम?
इट्स जस्ट डाउन टू प्रैक्टिस.
It's just so if like there's an average student,
Yeah.
can he do that?
Yeah.
Obviously, guys. So
Ad math is just down to practice.
so it's just like
practice papers.
stigma.
Understand the
There's
questions.
like a big stigma around it, and yeah, we need to get over that. So thank you so much for helping us bust that stigma. Congratulations. Bye bye. Hi guys, I'm with Divyansh. He is the Hindi topper for India in IGCSE. And that's like sick. Because भाई कैसे किया?
भाई मैं सच बताऊँ, आई डोंट नो हाउ आई डिड इट भाई. 4 बजे उठा, स्कूल गया और दे दिया बस जितना हुआ.
भाई मुझे क्या लगता है कि इसको बैन कर देना चाहिए. आपका क्या विचार है? करना चाहिए बैन आपको? आप हिंदी में टॉप कर रहे हो.
कर दो भाई, कर दो. इतनी लेम. इमेजिन कर, पहले कंट्री टॉपर, उसके बाद हिंदी में कंट्री टॉपर.
मतलब कंट्री टॉपर हिंदी में ही होगा भाई. क्रेजी भाई. ऑसम. कांग्रेचुलेशंस. हाउ यू फीलिंग टुडे? एक्साइटेड, नर्वस?
सो अब तो रोज का है.
रोज का है भाई. ऐसा भाई में स्वैग आ गया है. चलो ठीक है, कांग्रेचुलेशंस. आई सी यू अराउंड. थैंक यू. हाय गाइस, मेरे साथ एक और वर्ल्ड टॉपर है मैथ्स का, साहिल फ्रॉम मुंबई. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हाउ आर यू फीलिंग हियर? गुड. भाई तुम ये लोग के पास एक्सप्रेशंस क्यों नहीं होते यार? कम ऑन गाइस. ओके फाइन. इफ यू हैव वन पीस ऑफ एडवाइस फॉर ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स हियर, व्हाट वुड दैट बी?
I would say just practice and practice.
Awesome. ठीक है, thank you so much, Sahil. Congratulations. Yeah guys, that's it. This is the hall, the banquet hall that we were in like about a couple hours ago. It's almost empty now. Everyone has gone. जो लोग रुके हैं, they have come from like outside Mumbai and they have flights like later this evening perhaps. So most of them are like gone to look around Mumbai, and the others are just chilling in their groups over here. That's it. The event has ended. It's been a really great experience, and now I must head out. Our will be here. That will be all, guys. Please make sure to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with as many people as possible. We'll bring more new vlogs to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Bye bye.